So let's get started with ChatGPT. So we're going to go to chat.openai.com. Here at the main screen, you're going to click sign up. You're going to put in the email address that you want to use to sign up with. Click the CAPTCHA and of course put in a password. Click continue. You're going to verify your email. You're going to put in your name and you're going to give them a phone number to send your code to. Once you have verified your phone, you'll get a couple of informational blocks that'll come up. I suggest you read those. They do put safeguards in place. The system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. So you have to keep that in mind whenever you're doing this. This is not a person that you're talking with. This is a computer that has taken and basically scraped the internet up through the end of 2021. Now they may review your conversations so that it can help to improve the system. And you want to make sure you don't share any sensitive information about yourself on the ChatGPT because it is an open system to other people. They do like feedback, and there is a Discord server that you can join if you want to give more feedback or read what's going on with the server. I guess the question is now, what are ways that we can use it? There's so many things. When you start with ChatGPT, you're going to find that it might be a little bit overwhelming or mind-blowing. The amount of things that it can produce for you, the amount of data that it can give to you. Let's take an example. So how about write me a love poem? And there is your love poem. Wow, how cute is that? Okay, how about write me a song? Write me a love song. And let's see what it does. Okay, so how about write a song about the apocalypse? This should be interesting. Well, as you can see, it doesn't hesitate to take us down our dark paths. Gives a new meaning to mind blown. You can generate a words list for word search puzzles. Wow, that's awesome. There's 33 words it just generated. You can ask it to create a recipe for you. So how write me a recipe for a chocolate cake. So one of the main reasons I decided to really check into this is to help me to write scripts for video. Now, this particular video that you're watching is not scripted. This is just off the cuff me making a video. But I do believe that over time, I will start using this more to create a video script. So what I'm going to do is actually ask it to write me a video script explaining what ChatGPT is, or GPT is. And there is my script being written. This will probably revolutionize a lot of things that we're doing. I really believe that using this tool just to find information is going to be much better than Google. I hope that you enjoyed this video. We're going to continue to explore ChatGPT, and hopefully we'll be able to share more insight as we learn about this and move along. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe